Hi, third grade friends. It's Miss Lee. Today is Wednesday. It's about 12 o'clock. I am here today to do a video about that big, huge packet you all got yesterday with all of your work in it. And I just want to guide you through what all of it's about and how you navigate or work through these tasks daily. So I wanted to show you all very quickly. Miss Cleaver put together the NTI portal, which is the non-traditional instruction, which is what we're having to do for these next few days. The NTI learning portal is where you can find all kinds of information. If you just go to the Parker Bennett Curry website, you'll see the link. And you can access any grade level, all of the different things that we're asking you all to do. So you'll click on third grade if you go to this site. Now, you all were given everything you need, and everything that is on this site is in your purple folder. But I just want you to be able to see that it is also available online. The first thing you see when you click on third grade is this, what we're calling a learning menu, which is pretty much your schedule for every day. And it starts with Monday, March 16th, because we weren't in school Monday. You will have to complete that work. And then the next day, if you flip the pages, is Tuesday, March 17th, which was yesterday. You'll need to complete that work from yesterday. And today's page right here, Wednesday, March 18th, 2020, this is your work for today. So I know you all can hear Silas talking in the background. Silas, say hello. I am going to pull up the right here, the daily menu. This is what it looks like. So I do want to clarify very quickly that you do not have to do activity A and activity B for math. You can choose one of those. You can either do the 30 minutes of iReady Math and then do the pages 9 through 14 in your workbook and then 20 minutes of Zearn. Or you can choose to do activity B. This is the activity B things are what you will find in the Math Week 1 packet. So the first few pages are a rounding memory game, and then there is a rounding worksheet to complete. And if you still have this digital document of the menu, you can click on these links that are underlined right here, and it will take you straight to the video Miss Gardner suggests that you watch. So that's how you get to these YouTube videos. Same thing for reading. Oh, let me back up real quick. Still talking about the math. If you choose activity B, what you will find in your on the inside of your folder is this math packet that says third grade math week 1, and you'll see at the top it says day 1, Monday, March 16th, memory game. So this is how you'll be able to find the materials for each day, and they are all in order in the packet. After you pull out the memory game and you work through that, then you can see right here, day 1, Monday, March 16th, this is your worksheet for the day. And then it moves on to Tuesday, which you can see if you look at the learning menu right here for Tuesday, is to watch this video and play the dice game and then do this, then do the worksheet. So that's how you maneuver through that. Now, as for reading, same thing for reading. If you choose activity A, you're doing iReady reading, and then you're working in your fluency folder to read a passage and answer the comprehension questions. But if you choose activity B, you can watch this video. If you click on it, same thing. It'll take you to the video. And then it says begin lesson 1 by reading about animal habitats, completing the think chart, read Rabbit's Cozy Home. So you're working all the way through page 17. Now, if you look at the reading packet, right here at the top, it says week 1, day 1, and it starts with lesson 1. So you'll read about animal habitats, do the think chart. This is all about asking and answering questions. Read the Rabbit's Cozy Homes. You're going to complete the think chart, talk, and write your short answer response on page 16. That's where you'll answer this question on page 16. And then you'll read What Am I? Answer the questions that go along with this passage. And here's where you answer your short answer question for Rabbit's Cozy Home. Here's the question right here. And then on this page, What am I? This is where you answer that question. And then Prickly Adventure starts day 2 for week 1. So that's how you can maneuver through these first few activities for day 1 and day 2. If you go back to the learning menu, you'll see there's science activities. You can create a chart and write about how the temperature changed throughout the week. Or you can go to Mystery Science and scroll down to 3rd grade and do the first day's activity. And then for social studies, you have a link here for activity A to complete for competition pizza. Or activity B is in a packet that Miss Brockwell gave about maps. And you do the maps and natural resources on page 7. Now, I already spoke with Mary today, and she had a great question. She said, do we have to do the related arts? And I told her it is recommended that you do those. Also, it's just extra activities so that you can still have access to art and still have access to guidance and things like that. And those materials are also in that big purple folder that you got. So then here's Tuesday's work, but I'm sorry, here's Wednesday's work. And I'm going to make another video so that I can talk to you all about today's work, Wednesday's work. Now, for library, Miss Cleaver also gave you some links to Story Online, and she gave you reading logs, and she's also opened up AR tests to be able to be taken at home. So if you have any more information about that you need, or if you have any questions about AR, you can just text me or Miss Gardner or Miss Brockwell. Please do not use Remind right now through the texting app that we've been using, because for some reason we're locked out. You will need to contact us on one of these cell phone numbers. Miss Lee's cell phone number is here, Miss Gardner's cell phone here, and Miss Brockwell's cell phone number here. I have not started reading Because of Winn-Dixie yet, because we've had a lot of things that we need to get done, but I will do that. And when I do, I sent and will be sending more people a link to my YouTube page so that you can subscribe to the YouTube page and continue getting videos and updates every day about what you should be learning about at home. We miss you and we love you all, and I'll be posting another video soon about specifically what you should be working on today on Wednesday. All right, we love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.